Y'all probably ready to go into some warmth, huh? Well, the justices took a tremendous amount of time and asked a lot of questions. In two cases that was supposed to only go for 2 hours, I guess we've been going almost 4 hours. And I think that shows you the breadth under which these cases mean to the country. For me, and for many Americans out there, this is about individual liberty, and this is about the breadth of the federal government's reach into your lives. Whether or not the federal government can mandate medical procedures such as a vaccine on you, and then they can do it in a coercive manner of basically threatening your job. That is the basis under which we're here today. And if the answer to that is yes, then the America that we grew up in no longer exists. And that's what's really important. I think that the amount of time that all of the justices took in evaluating both of these cases, I feel good, and I do believe that all 9 of these justices care deeply about America and liberty and individual responsibility. I don't think there's anybody in America right now that is searching for a vaccine. In other words, everyone in America who wants to take a vaccine can take a vaccine. And that is the sad part about where we are today, is that somewhere down the line in dealing with the pandemic, and we heard, well, this is unprecedented. I would remind you, it's not unprecedented. This country has dealt with pandemics before. In fact, we have fought both pandemics and world wars simultaneously, and yet have not had this type of divisiveness. And so again, I think that policies should be based upon the ability of the individual to make their healthcare choices. I think that the justices understand the sense of urgency. I would hope that we would get some answer from them before Monday. They're in conference right now. This is why this was unprecedented. In fact, when we were talking to some of the staff in there, we found out that basically the only time the court has done this before was in 1970. And so I think that it goes to show you the importance of what happened today.